The Model Railroad Club of Solivita. And this is our November holiday open house at the Palms. I just wanted you to see the intricacy of our display. This is Freedom Park. The baseball diamond. Golf course. Florida swamp. Campground. Caboose Motel with the carnival. And this is our freight yard. See how extensive it is? Pull trains in and out of this freight yard. A lot of interactivity. Industrial section. And then coming back around. This is the far end. This is the town area. This is the end of our Saturday open house. We make improvements every year. There's a passenger train next to the station here, which is adjacent to the airport, and a runway, and back out to the swamp area.